Okay, we got the lights for the garage installed tonight. Let me turn off this light here. Okay, so I am taking video without any light off the cell phone camera. So I'm going to walk out and let the light activate. You can see the house there. And there go the new lights. So we are still dialing in the motion sensors. The sensor over here will pick me up here in a second. And with that one, well, yeah, so we still need to work on the sensors and timing. They aren't staying on the way they're supposed to be. They're supposed to have a up to 15-minute duration, but they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing. Isn't that the way it always works? Well, let's see what happens here. Okay, so upon review of the instructions, these lights, you initially turn them on, and for the first 30 seconds they will remain on. Then for the next 3 minutes they will continue to function, activate, deactivate 5 seconds after every trigger. So they will only stay on for 5 seconds at a time for the first 3 minutes, which is the test period. After the test period, then they become automatic, and you can set the time duration of the lights. So let me step over here a little bit farther. I'm walking in the dark, and hopefully I'm not going to step in any gifts from doggies, but that is what it looks like. So those lights look pretty cool. $400 each, and then the motion sensors were another $55 on top of that. So it's a nice looking house at night, and I like the shadows that the lights cast. So let me walk up close to the light, and you can kind of see what the light looks like. So there we go. It's an LED that is in the top of the fixture with a glass dome over that. Over here, that is the motion sensor. So there are 2 motion sensors, one at this end, one at that end, and if one or the other triggers, all the lights will come on. So it covers a wide range of the property. So I like this. Okay, that concludes the video update on the exterior lighting. So I hope you found that interesting, and we will see you on the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you want to keep following the progress of this house build. Alright, take care.